500. 400.
I mean, I may actually have some passengers willing to fly with me again with this impressive landing.
300.
Look at this. And this is how the pros do it, people. Okay, now
100. Approaching minimums.
remember to
50, 40, 30,
remember
20,
to hit
10.
the brakes when you touch down, bozo. Come on. Okay, we were at 10 out of 10 now. Now what's going on? All right, come on. All right, we're down. Come on, touch down. Put the nose down. Okay, if we only stop. Oh. So this time I forgot to reduce the throttle because I was so excited with how I landed so softly. So once again, we screw something up, but like I said earlier, I think I'm going to have passengers coming back for another flight.